Jai Sonia. Respected officer, the understanding audience gathered here to grace the occasion, respected parents and family members of participants and English-speaking stage performance program. I want to deliver my speech before you, so please listen to me quietly. Before starting my speech, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Darshan Soni. We have gathered here to know why has English become the need of an hour. I have come here to tell you the importance of English in our routine life, academic life, and all important activities. At first, I found this language very tough, but it is not hard at all. Nowadays, English is more important language. David sir tells you all the students' experience about English we have learned from him. I would like to tell you about students' experience who is learning in David sir classes. He did not know what is the importance of English during 8 to 10. He thought he would learn English, so he did not concentrate on English. He failed many times. Then he realized what is the importance of English in his life, and now he has been able to develop fluent speech. Will get his goes to Davi sir. We all are able enough to speak English. Today's world is the world of English. Happiness gives satisfaction for sometimes, but satisfaction gives happiness for a long time. If you get satisfaction in English, you will get happiness for a long time. If you don't do English, we have to face severe criticism from the people. Before sometimes, my cousin came to my home. I talked with her for 15 or 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, my cousin told me that your English is very good and advised me to speak in my life, such as I talked with her. We can't progress even one step without English. We can't survive ourselves in this competitive time. We have a stronghold over our subjects. We might progress in them or score very well. But if you don't know English, everything is in vain. I would certainly say all the students, what is the use of standing first if you don't know English? In future, we have to face English. If you don't know English, we can't score expected marks in our favorite subjects. There are many ways to improve English, like reading English newspapers, speaking with your friends and family members. Sir has created such a beautiful atmosphere about English in Bawla that we must make most of it. English will chase you as far as you are away from it. Don't overlook English, please face it. Otherwise, you will have to repent. This is a golden opportunity and opportunities do not often knock. My friends, you don't know what is Davi sir. We are very lucky to have sir like Davi sir. English speaking classes that sir runs is very beneficial. You will have to face many difficulties. Then and then you can achieve success. A famous quote said by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. If you don't fight for what you want, then don't cry for what you have lost. At last, I would say, prevention is better than cure. We should join English speaking classes and brighten our future before this valuable time slips away from us. Thank you for listening. Thanks.